Hi everyone, today I'm here to say something about the software project management. First of all, what is software project management? Uh, project Software project management is basically involves planning, organizing, and managing a resource to successfully deliver software project. It requires effective communication and collaboration among team members. To become a successfully project management system ensures timely delivery and high quality software products that meet customers requirements. Now we are seeing some other aspect of project management. Now we are seeing size estimation matrices. There are three types of size matrices. The first one is a line of code LOC matrices. The second one is functional points FA matrix. The third one is a UCP use case point matrix. No, the first one is a line of code measures the size of software project based on the number of lines of code written. The second one is a functional point matrices. It basically measures or estimates the size of a software project based on the functionality delivered to the user. The third one is a UCP, use case point matrices. It's basically accesses the size of a software project by considering the number of use case and the transactions. Now we are move ahead and sees the what is a line of code matrices. Line of code having three part. The first part is definition, uses, and the challenge. The definition part, the line of matrices measures the size of software project by counting the line of code written. uh, Now we are move ahead. And the C uses. It is used to estimate the effort and cost required for software development. The now challenges of fourth line of code matrices are difficulties in defining what constitutes a line of code and inability to measure productivity. Now we move ahead and see the functional point matrices. A functional point having three part. The first point is what is it. The second is advantage, and the third one is application. The first one, what is it, uh, measures of software functionality based on the user inputs, output, and inquiries, files, and interface. No. So basically, now we move ahead and see some other point, that is the cost. The next important point, the cost it's estimation technique. uh, it's basically a critical aspect of software project management, helping in budgeting and resource allocation. The Del- the, Del- uh, the Delphi technique involves experts input to reach consequences on cost estimation. uh, there are two famous estimation technique. The first one is Delphi technique. The the, the second one is a basic COCOMO model. uh, Whereas in basic COCOMO models, user model uses the categorized project characteristics for estimation, while in Delphi technique involves experts inputs. No. Now we are move ahead and see what is a Delphi technique. It's a consequences based estimation method relying on experts opinion and iteration. It's basically a expert it's basically based on expert opinion and iteration method. Now we are move ahead and see uh, uh, some other cost estimation technique, that is a COCOMO model. The basic COCOMO model is a simple and widely used method for estimating the cost, effort, and duration of the software project based on the size of the software. It provides a framework for early cost estimation in the software development lifecycle. Uh, And now we are seeing the stages of basic COCOMO model. It's having it's having three stages: the basic, intermediate, and detailed COCOMO model. Now we are move ahead and see the factor considered. The model taken into account various factors such as product attributes, hardware attributes, personal attributes, and project attributes to calculate the estimated effort and schedule for the project. Uh, the Halstead's software science. Halstead software science is a quantitative approach to software analysis, focusing on a program length, vocabulary, and volume. Its main aim to its main aim to measure the complexity and understand the effort involved in software development. It provides valuable insights for estimating software development time and cost. Now we are move ahead and saying staffing level estimation. That is uh, uh, Putnam's model. Putnam models is a software project management technique used to estimates the staffing level requirement for project based on the size and complexity of the software. It's take into account factors such as team's experience, productivities, and the nature of the project to determine the number of staff needed. Now the very important part of the software engineering is SRS. SRS stands for Software Requirement Specification. Now we are going to see SRS document, their characteristics and organization. The software requirement specification SRS is a comprehensive document that outlines the description of software system requirements. It includes details of the functional and non-functional requirements, constraints, and interfaces. Characteristics of well-defined SRS document includes specification, that is a specificity, verifiability, consistency, and modifiability. It serves as a foundation for the software development process and ensures the clear communication between stakeholders. That's all for this video. Thanks a lot for watching this video.